Hey guys, this is Mark with WTI. So I love cleaning my car. However, one of the biggest challenges are my floor mats. No matter what I try, no matter what I do, it's so hard to get all that dirt and grime out of those cracks and crevices and make the mats look like new again. So I'm really happy I came across ReNew Cleaner and Protectant by Chemical Guys. This is what I now use to clean the rubber floor mats of my vehicles. I just give it a couple sprays, and then with my favorite brush, I give it a complete wipe down. And I have OCD, so I make sure I get all those cracks and crevices where dirt and grime love to hide. So not only do the mats look clean, they get completely disinfected from all the germs that have built up over time. What I really appreciate is that the mats get cleaned without that greasy or slippery feel or look to them. And I sometimes dry it off with a cleaning towel, or you could use an air gun. You could also let it air dry. That works just as fine. And I finally get the results I have been looking for. So without a doubt, I really appreciate that Chemical Guys came out with ReNew. This is what I use now. It gets the job done, and that's just my point of view.